Well, it's been a day packed with political rallies so far, and it isn't over yet in what can without doubt be called the most important state politically, Uttar Pradesh. New kid on the national block, Arvind Kejriwal, is in the state. It is day 2 of Kejriwal's Jhadu Chalao Yatra in western Uttar Pradesh. Kejriwal started his rally on Saturday from his residence in Kaushambi on the outskirts of Delhi, and today the Aam Aadmi Party leader is to hold a big rally in Kanpur. In the latest, Kejriwal has crossed Unnao and is reaching Kanpur in a very short while from now. We'll be getting you his rally live as well. The rally, the second after the one in Rohtak in Haryana last week, is also part of the Aam Aadmi Party's national campaign. The Jhadu Yatra will cover 15 Lok Sabha seats in western UP. Tomorrow, the road rally will head back to Delhi, covering Auraiya, Etawah, Firozabad, Agra, Mathura and Palwal.
कल से मैं देख रहा हूँ गली से मोहल्लों से जब हम निकल रहे हैं और छोटे छोटे गांवों से छोटे छोटे कस्बों से भी निकल रहे हैं तो जिस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स लोगों से मिल रहा है रास्ते में, जिस तरह की दुकानों के अंदर बैठे हुए लोग जिस तरह से वेव कर रहे हैं, जिस भाव से, उससे लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा बदलाव लोग चाहने के लिए तैयार हैं।
It is the Super Sunday of rallies in UP, and right now Arvind Kejriwal is about to reach here at the rally venue in Kanpur. In fact, as you can see, all these people, they have been waiting for Arvind Kejriwal to arrive here. He is on his way, and we are expecting him very shortly to reach the venue of the rally. There are good numbers as of now. Initially in the morning, because of the rain, you can see behind that there is that entire area that is still soaked in water. People have not been able to come there. Some of them are sitting on the sides, but as of now, it is a build-up. People have started coming in. They are expecting that when Arvind Kejriwal comes here, the numbers will go up, and they will be able to full the entire crowd here. Remember, Narendra Modi is also holding a rally in Lucknow, and there will be a natural parallel that will be drawn here. But what Aam Aadmi Party people have already started saying, Narendra Modi is getting all the people. They have the arranged crowd, and according to them, all these people, those who are coming here, have come here on their own. It will be an interesting pitch. Battleground UP, 80 seats of Lok Sabha for 2014 is the target, and right now Arvind Kejriwal is expected here. He is expected to make some important announcements from this very stage here. All the senior leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party will be accompanying him at this beginning, almost the beginning of their Lok Sabha campaign. The first rally in Rohtak, second in Kanpur, all eyes on the 80 seat of UP. With camera person Alok Das, Ankit Tyagi for Headlines Today.